Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable picture in picture mode in YouTube on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open Safari, and from here you have to search for YouTube. Here you can see guys, YouTube PIP shortcut. Just simply tap on this and then tap on fast link, and here you can see get shortcut. Just simply tap on this again. So you have to wait for a while, and here you can see add shortcut. Just simply tap on this, and then you can see here tap on my shortcut. So here you can see it's showing here PIP YouTube PIP. If it's not showing here, then you have to allow PIP shortcut and then go back from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open App Store, and you have to install this type of app. So here you can see its name is Scriptable. So you have to download this type of app. Here it is guys, just simply open it, and after opening you have to allow the permissions. So I have already allowed all permissions, and after that what you need to do is just simply open YouTube, and from here if you want to see a video, so you have to select your favorite video from here. Now I'm going to play this video, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on share and then scroll it right side, and here you can see more options. Just simply tap on this and scroll it down from here, and you can see here YouTube PIP. Just simply tap on this, and from here you have to allow. I'm going to allow once, so you have to wait for a while. So you can see guys, here is my video. Just simply go back, and here is my video. So you can minimize video from here, and now you can play games or do another thing on your iPhone and iPad, and your video is playing right now. So if you want to play games, your video stop playing. So that is the way guys, you can easily enable PFP mode in YouTube on your iPhone and iPad. So that is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.